Hi everybody, I'm Angelique Tomsic, or Angel. I am the HIV and STI Programs Director here at the Detroit Health Department, where we are the recipient's office for the Ryan White Part A funds. Ryan White was a 13-year-old from Kokomo, Indiana, who was diagnosed with AIDS after a blood transfusion in 1984. Ryan faced AIDS-related discrimination and had to fight for his right to be able to attend public schools. At the time of diagnosis, Ryan was only expected to live about 6 months. However, he actually lived another 5 years and passed back in April of 1990. In August of 1990, Congress passed the Ryan White Comprehensive AIDS Resources and Emergency Act, which allows for the Ryan White funds that are here within the Detroit eligible metropolitan area. Services are very important. In fiscal year 2022, which just ended on February 28th of 2023, our Ryan White subrecipients across the Detroit eligible metropolitan area provided services to 3,741 individuals. Another really interesting reason as to why it's so important is that 52% of all individuals who are HIV positive across the United States receive Ryan White services at least once. In the Detroit eligible metropolitan area, we ensure that there are subrecipients to provide core medical services as well as supportive services. Our core services include early intervention services, health insurance premium and cost sharing assistance, home and community-based health services, medical case management, medical nutrition therapy, mental health services, and outpatient ambulatory health services. Our support services include emergency financial assistance, food bank, housing assistance, legal services, medical transportation, non-medical case management, as well as psychosocial support services or support groups. So Ryan White does have some pretty strict eligibility requirements. In order to be eligible for services under Ryan White, you have to be HIV positive, you have to be residing within the Detroit eligible metropolitan area, or DEMA. Our Detroit eligible metropolitan area is made up of the city of Detroit, Wayne, Oakland, Macomb, Monroe, Lapeer, and St. Clair counties. You also have to have an income that is less than the 400% of the federal poverty level. The Ryan White services are specifically HIV care services for individuals who are low income, uninsured, or underinsured, and those that need help accessing services. We here at the Detroit Health Department have been receiving Ryan White funds since 1993.